Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can install anti-gravity in your PC. First, visit this website antigravity.google and download anti-gravity for your operating system. I'm currently showing for Windows, and now download the setup. If you are using ARM, you can download for ARM as well. As I already downloaded this, or just wait, I will download new one. It will take only 2-3 seconds. Okay, now click on the install exe file. It will take few seconds. Actually, it is extracting the files. Uh, Now click on the accept checkbox, radio button, and click on the next. Don't touch anything. Just click next, next, and install. It will take some time depending on your PC's speed. So now it's installed. I will finish the installation, and now I will try to open the anti-gravity in my project folder. Here it is my Angular project. So I will just open terminal and anti-gravity space dot. It is almost like VS Code. In VS Code, you open code space dot. Here you can open with anti-gravity space code, and it will take some time. For the first installation, it is taking time. Second time, this will load very fast.